Welcome to the video on the two-phase Internship and Project Training Program, an industry-oriented skill development program. This program is structured into 4 main steps: learn, practice, build, and launch career. Baroda Institute of Technology, or 𝐕𝐻, offers 23+ years of excellence, an industry-aligned curriculum, practical labs, and career-focused programs led by expert trainers. We bridge academia and industry through strategic partnerships, ensuring industrial standards and academic excellence. Why do students need practical training? Academic knowledge alone is not enough for modern careers. Practical training offers real-world experience, practical technical skills, project development, and crucial industry exposure. This is the missing link to achieve job readiness. The 𝐕𝐻 two-phase training model is a structured progression. Phase 1 is internship training for skill development, followed by Phase 2, project training, the implementation phase. This integrated approach ensures theoretical knowledge is immediately applied, leading to a job-ready professional. Phase 1 focuses on internship training for skill development. Key components include guided training led by expert mentors, hands-on lab practicals, mastering industry tools, and mini practical tasks. The purpose of this phase is to build a strong technical foundation. Phase 2, project training, focuses on implementation to gain real industry experience. You will design real applications, solve practical problems by troubleshooting and optimizing performance, and build a professional-grade portfolio. This video highlights the core difference between the two phases. Internship training focuses on skill acquisition, covering theoretical concepts, technology introductions, guided exercises, and foundational skill building. Project training centers on implementation, featuring building complete applications, applying skills to practical use, solving real problems, and portfolio development. The program helps your career by transforming potential into professional capability. It ensures you gain practical industry skills, a strong technical foundation, and improved job readiness. The key asset is your project portfolio, which leads to better opportunities through enhanced employability. The program has a 100% practical focus and includes 2+ live projects. The skill development journey features a balanced curriculum. Technical skills cover programming, data analysis, design and development, and automation. Professional skills include problem solving, team collaboration, communication, and project management. This comprehensive approach builds both technical expertise and professional aptitude. The program provides industry recognition and certification. Internship completion offers a technical foundation, validating training hours and core concept mastery, ideal for resume building. Project Excellence awards an implementation expert certification based on real-world project proof and problem-solving evidence, ideal for job interviews. A bonus is skill recognition, a competency badge, ideal for your LinkedIn profile. The Phase 1 workflow is a structured 5-step approach. It starts with a tech intro, moves to concept learning, hands-on labs, and mini-tasks, and concludes with a skill assessment for evaluation and feedback. This internship learning pathway takes you from enrollment to project readiness. The steps include enrolling, learning core technology, practicing with lab exercises, completing assignments, gaining practical skills, and moving to the project phase. This focuses on 100% skill acquisition through daily labs. Phase 2, project training, is a comprehensive lifecycle approach. It involves project selection, requirements gathering, design and planning, development, testing, and finally, presentation of the final demo and portfolio. This phase encompasses planning, execution, and delivery. The project training learning pathway guides you from concept to a professional portfolio. The steps include project idea selection, planning, development, testing, completion, and portfolio creation, ensuring you are career-ready with a real code base, live demo, and portfolio asset. We offer available training domains tailored for future-ready careers. These include programming and software development, web development, data science and AI, cybersecurity, robotics and IoT, mechanical design, digital marketing, and graphic design. The program covers a wide range of learning technologies and tools aligned with the IBM and IIT Patna curriculum. Key areas include development and DevOps, data science and AI, and web and cloud, featuring industry-standard tools like Docker, Python, AWS, and more. This two-phase model is designed to support various audiences: engineering students seeking academic projects, diploma students needing practical labs, and BCA and MCA students aiming for full-stack development. The program also benefits BSCIT students, fresh graduates, and tech beginners for job placement and career switching. The program offers tailored learning pathways with flexible delivery modes, offline, online, and a hybrid model. You can choose a full-time immersive or a part-time flexible format, with cohort-based schedules also available. After training, you can unlock high-growth roles, including software developer, web developer, data analyst, AI/ML associate, cybersecurity analyst, and roles in robotics, mechanical design, and digital marketing. We offer 100% placement support, high salary growth, and global opportunities. Our success stories show real impact, including an 85% placement rate and an average 40% salary hike. Students build 150+ live projects and join an alumni network of 2,000+ graduates hired by top companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Accenture, and Infosys. Start your career with practical training at BIT. You will build skills, create projects, and launch your career. Join the Internship and Project Training program now. Contact us via phone or email, visit our website, or find us in Vadodara, Gujarat.